I'm glad you asked. I am the hermit of Mount Miyaboku, the wise and immortal spirit. That's right. It is I, the Toad Mountain Sage.
What? The Toad Sage?
So this is the man who is the fourth Hokage's master. Which means he's probably going to pass on his ideas to the kid and try to control me.